Hello everyone, this is HammerTron here with a new review video for you. This time I am reviewing the Mojo HK Limited Farmland German Shepherd Puppy. This is product code 387261. This was first molded in 2017 and I bought this in a store in late 2021. When I bought it, it had a tag wrapped around its leg. There's the tag. Looks like I paid $3.99 for it, plus more for sales tax. There's the Hobby Lobby information. Some safety information. And Mojo HK Limited information. Let's take a look at the dimensions of this figurine. Looks like it is a little more than 3 inches long. It is maybe just a little more than half an inch wide. And at the ear there, it's about 2 inches tall. So it's a very small figurine of a German Shepherd puppy. Now I hear that the German Shepherds are the best breed of dog to have as a pet and also to do some work, perhaps around the farm or on a ranch. So this is considered the most intelligent dog and a very good protector. So full grown, they can get up to maybe 22 to 26 inches tall, I think, at the withers. But this is just a puppy. So the coloring looks pretty good. I've never had a dog, so I'm not very familiar with the way dogs should look. However, I've seen pictures of German Shepherds and they do have a variety of looks, and this seems to look like some of the pictures I've seen. It's nice texturing of fur across the body here. There's the tail. It's a little flexible. Some manufacturing information on the belly there. Not a whole lot of details on the bottoms of the paw, but that's okay. We keep the figure standing, so we don't need to see details on the bottom of the paws. These legs are kind of rubbery and flexible. So are these. I think the ears are a little bit flexible too. Yeah, we can bend those a little bit. And even the mouth. There, the jaw. Looks like a very nice dog. Very playful looking puppy here. The pose is nice. It looks like a rather happy dog and you're ready to play in this particular pose. It's a very nice looking little German Shepherd puppy. It'll be nice to add to a display. And I'm sure the adult German Shepherd will be larger than this puppy, and it'll make a nice display to have them together along with other dogs or other animals. So I'm rather happy to have this to add to a display or a diorama. Thank you for watching my video. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my future reviews. Until next time, goodbye everyone.